Have you ever wondered what secrets are hiding in your DNA? I mean, what if you could actually read the health map that's written inside you? Well, today, we're going to talk about a field that does pretty much just that: genetic counseling. It's a seriously powerful tool for navigating some of life's biggest questions about our families and our future. So let's get into it. So here is our game plan. We're going to start with a really tough question that a lot of families face. Then, we'll break down what genetic counseling actually is. We'll even peek inside a real session, lay out the benefits of knowing your genetic story, and finally, look at how this whole field is changing the conversation about health. You know, so much of this journey begins with that one little phrase, what if? It's a simple question, but man, it can feel huge, packed with a mix of hope and, yeah, a little bit of fear. So let's just put ourselves in those shoes for a second. You're thinking about the future, maybe starting a family, but this one question just hangs there in the air. It's a heavy one, right? And it brings up all kinds of complex emotions and a real need for some clearer answers. And look, this isn't just some abstract idea. Picture this. A young couple, they're so excited to start their family, but there's this shadow of worry because they know a genetic condition is part of their family story. They're stuck at this crossroads between hope and fear, and they really need some guidance. And that, right there, is where genetic counseling steps in. So when you're at a crossroads like that, how do you even begin to figure out which way to go? Well, you turn to a field that's basically designed to be your map. Let's dig into what genetic counseling is all about. At its heart, genetic counseling is really just a conversation. It's a process where a healthcare expert sits down with you to help you make sense of your genetic risks. But, and this is key, it's so much more than just the science. It's also about talking through the medical facts, the emotional side of things, and all the support that's out there for you. It's all so you can make choices that feel right for you. And you might think this is a pretty new thing, but it's not. The term itself was actually coined way back in 1947 by a guy named Sheldon Clark Reed. I mean, even then, he saw a future where our genes weren't just our destiny, but were a source of information that could empower people to make their own decisions. Okay, I know the phrase counseling session can sound a little intimidating, maybe a little clinical, but it's not like that at all. It's really a team effort, a conversation that's all about you. So let's pull back the curtain on what actually happens. First things first, this whole process doesn't start with a needle or a DNA test. Nope, it starts with your story. The absolute first step is a deep dive into your personal health and your family's health history, because all that context, it's everything. The whole thing is actually super structured. Like we said, it kicks off with your medical history. From there, the counselor walks you through all the different genetic tests out there, what they're good for, and just as important, what they can't tell you. If you go ahead with the test, they sit with you and break down the results. And here's the crucial part. The support doesn't stop there. They help you find resources and figure out the next steps. So who are these people guiding you through all this? Well, they're the real deal. We're talking about board-certified healthcare pros who have advanced degrees in both medical genetics and counseling. They often specialize in one area, like prenatal care or cancer genetics, so you know you're getting advice from a true expert. Okay, so that's the process. That's the what and the how. But what about the why? I mean, why go through all of this? Let's talk about the real, tangible benefits you get from having this kind of information. When you really get down to it, it all boils down to 3 huge benefits. 3 incredibly powerful pieces of clarity that can totally change how you look at your health and your future. All right, so number 1, you get a clear picture of the actual risk. You move from that vague, scary what if to hard facts and real probabilities. Number 2, you totally understand the testing process itself. No surprises, no confusion. And number 3, you get someone to carefully explain what your DNA results really mean, not just for you, but for your parents, your siblings, your kids, your whole family. And if you wrap all that up into one idea, it's this: empowerment. The whole point is to take you from a place of uncertainty and put you in the driver's seat so you can make truly informed choices about your own health and your own life. All right, for our last section, let's zoom all the way out, because the impact here is so much bigger than just one person or one appointment. This field is helping to shift how our entire culture thinks and talks about genetic health. I mean, think about it. It wasn't that long ago that genetic conditions were seen as taboos, sometimes even curses. They were things you whispered about, which led to so much isolation and fear. But now, it is a whole different world. These conditions are openly studied, they're discussed, and we've gone from having almost no information to having access to incredible experts and, just as importantly, real emotional and psychological support. And this quote, wow, it just says it all, doesn't it? For people who have lived their whole lives with this cloud of uncertainty or who have watched their relatives suffer, getting clear answers and a path forward is just this massive sigh of relief. It's information, validation, and hope all at once.
So that leaves us with one last really big question to think about. When we have the tools to understand our own genetic blueprint, we're not just passengers watching the future unfold, we're actually helping to shape it. So the real question is, how does knowing our risks change our future? What will you do with that knowledge?